Hi everyone, welcome to Career Views. My name is Nancy. I'm the founder of careerviews.com. I'm an HR consultant and a career guidance expert. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you the job portals that you must register on if you're looking for a job in the UAE or any other emirate. UAE is a great place to settle down. But many of the job seekers, they have a lot of question of how to start their job search. So let me make it easy by telling you 10 websites where you must register your CV if you're planning to work in the UAE. So without any delays, let's get started. The first and topmost on my list is Indeed.com. Indeed is a great platform where a lot of jobs are being posted every day. The best part about Indeed is it's for free. The candidates are not charged for registering their profile on Indeed. This website is quite user-friendly. If you don't want to register initially and you are just checking out the jobs, you could look for the job title and the location, and that's about it. Just mention the job title you're looking for, the location you want out of all the seven emirates. You get to start just by mentioning what you're looking for and which emirate. Put the job title, put the emirate of interest, and all the job listings in that area would come in front of you. You're all set to tailor your CV according to those vacancies and start your job search. Another great part of using Indeed is the listings are not only from the companies. The listings are also from the recruitment firms, which are always on to the look of good candidates. So without any further ado, start your job search by registering your profile on Indeed.com. The next on my list is Byte.com. It's BAYT.com. It's a user-friendly website with a lot of career options. Also, they have their own blog. It also offers some helpful resources like resume evaluation, additional consulting services, their career blog. So it's a great website that you must check out. The third one on my list, and another very popular job site, is gulftalent.com. If you want to understand how the UAE job market works, which are the main areas, it has a wider listing of Dubai-based jobs. So it's a great website if you're looking forward to work in UAE or any of the GCC countries. The fourth on my list is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is quite popular when it comes to finding a job in UAE. You could always register your profile and set job alerts. LinkedIn has a lot of pages of recruitment firms that keep on posting jobs. There are a lot of groups which support job seekers on visit visa in the UAE to find a suitable opportunity. LinkedIn is a great portal for networking and knowing like-minded professionals. I highly recommend you try LinkedIn and make as much connections in the UAE as you can to understand the job market here. With additional feature of LinkedIn Salary, it has become more convenient for job seekers to understand what is the pay standard in the region. The paid version of LinkedIn Premium also offers your profile views, allows you to send in-mails directly to the people you are not connected to, also shows you the number of applicants for the job role and the job posting. Also shows you additional applicants, how many people have applied to this particular job. Paying for LinkedIn Premium also is a great way to learn and upskill, which definitely makes you a better candidate for the job. If you're not willing to pay, you can of course go ahead with LinkedIn for job search. A bonus tip here, you can always register for LinkedIn's free trial for a month. You can apply for jobs, you can connect with people, send in mails, and then if you don't want to continue it, there is always an option to discontinue that. The next on my list is Dubizzle.com. Dubizzle also is the most widely used, but it's used for the lower level vacancies. If you're working at above managerial roles or at a senior level, Dubizzle is not for you. If you're looking for sales or fast moving careers like HR, Dubizzle is the website which offers such great opportunities in the related categories. Uploading your CV on Dubizzle is a hassle-free process. It also gives you a lot of tips about creating your resume, industry-specific opportunities. You can categorize different emirates, set job alerts for you, and enjoy reading their blog. Most of the jobs listed on Dubizzle comes with extensive information. like the industry, the job is posted by a recruiter or the company directly, what are the salaries being offered for a particular role. At the end, there is a share button also. If you feel the opportunity is not right for you but is right for somebody you know, then you can always share this job with someone. The next on my list is Lemoon.com. Don't worry if you don't get the spellings. I'll be leaving a link of all these job sites in the description, so you can comfortably check them out and reach directly to these websites. So Lemoon is the most responsive job sites that I know of. There is a variety of vacancies, some for UAE nationals, some for GCC residents, some for the visit visa holders. Lemoon is one of the free job posting websites. That's why more and more recruiters these days are posting jobs on Lemoon, and it provides more opportunities to the job seekers. This website also offers corporate training programs that would help you enhance your career. So check this website and let me know how was your experience at Lemoon. The seventh on my list is MonsterGulf.com. MonsterGulf is quite popular amongst recruiter and the organizations who are looking to hire talent at all levels. Monster has opportunities right from a coordinator level to the CEO. It offers a great range of vacancies all over the UAE for different emirates. It's user-friendly, helps you set alerts, and also you could find jobs through different categories listed. The next on my list is NaukriGulf.com. NaukriGulf is quite popular for the healthcare staff. In my opinion, anybody looking for healthcare professionals like paramedics, nurses, allied health, Naukri.com is their go-to place. Also, it has a lot of administrative vacancies. If you are somebody who is on a visit or who is willing to find a job in UAE into administration, NaukriGulf is the place for you. It's user-friendly, it has a great blog, a lot of career tips to read from. It also offers services like certification for recruiters, training and upskilling for different professionals, along with job vacancies in all the categories. That's what makes NaukriGulf one of my favorite. Additionally, candidates could choose what they want to display on their profile. If they want their salary information to be hidden, they always have a choice to do so. What makes NaukriGulf so popular is it caters to not only UAE but Saudi Arabia and other GCC countries as well. So you may find vacancies or candidates available in the complete Middle East. The last website on my list is Olive.com. Olive is a free job site that doesn't charges its candidate for registering their profile. It has a lot of opportunities for freshers and internship programs if you're looking for. Most of the listings of Olive.com are through recruitment agencies because they provide a free job listing. This is a platform for young minds. Lot of freshers, lot of people who are looking for internships, lot of recruitment firms who are looking to hire fresh graduates are very active on Olive.com. That's what makes it a most sought after job site in the UAE for fresh graduates. Also, it offers a lot of part-time opportunities. If you're looking for contractual agreements, Olive.com is the place for you. Number 10 on my list is CareerJet, that brings all the opportunities from all over the UAE in one place for you. So do check this website out. Now, after listing these 10 portals, candidates still ask me some questions like, are there any other websites beside these? Yes, there are. If you're looking for a job, you must follow recruitment firms on LinkedIn. They have their own websites where you should register your CV. Because when they are looking for a top talent in the industry, they could themselves reach out to candidates. The next question is there overseas hiring in the UAE? Yes, definitely. Some of the firms prefer to hire from overseas when they are looking for fresh talent. Another bonus tip, do not apply for a job if there is a nationality specified. For example, if somebody is looking for an Arabic speaker and you are a non-Arabic speaker, no need for applying to that job because your profile would not be considered. Do all websites are for free? No. There are websites that charge the candidates or the job poster, depending on the profile and the company. Lastly, people ask me, is it possible to register our profile and get a job? Yes, definitely. It is possible. as you are looking for a job, recruiters are looking for a good candidate. So when there is a good match and you are at the right place at the right time, the opportunity clicks. And that's what brings me to end of this video. Let me know how did you like this video. Do check the link of these job portals in the description. Let me know which ones you have registered and what were your experiences like. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to Career Views, because I share tons of career advice to job seekers. I will also leave a link of my career blog if you'd like to visit and check out my LinkedIn profile. There will be a link in the description. Stay tuned to Career Views videos. Keep watching my videos. Keep sharing them with anybody who needs to watch them. Thank you for watching.